A wind turbine is a device that converts the kinetic energy of wind into electrical energy. It is the modern version of a windmill, using propeller-like blades to capture the wind's force and turn a rotor. This rotor then spins a generator, which produces electricity. The process of generating electricity from wind is based on a simple principle. The wind pushes against the turbine blades, which are designed to act like airplane wings. The difference in air pressure on either side of the blade creates lift, causing the rotor to spin. The spinning rotor turns a shaft. This shaft is connected to a gearbox, which increases the rotational speed. The high-speed shaft drives a generator. The generator uses electromagnetic induction to convert the mechanical, rotational energy into electrical energy. The electricity is then sent to a substation, where its voltage is increased for efficient transmission over power lines to homes, businesses, and the electrical grid. Types of wind turbines. Wind turbines are generally classified into two main types based on the orientation of their rotor axis. Horizontal axis wind turbines. These are the most common type and are what most people picture when they think of a wind turbine. They have a rotor with 2 or 3 blades that face into the wind, with the shaft parallel to the ground. These are widely used in large-scale wind farms, both on land and in the ocean. Vertical axis wind turbines. These turbines have a main rotor shaft that is positioned perpendicular to the ground. The blades are attached to the top and bottom of this vertical rotor. While less common than Hotties, some designs like the egg-beater-style Darius turbine are used in specific applications, particularly in urban areas. In the 20th century, growing environmental concerns and oil shortages led to a renewed interest in wind power as a clean, renewable energy source. Today, wind turbines are a crucial part of the global effort to reduce reliance on fossil fuels and combat climate change.